I just want to give you guys a quick look at the wireless doorbell. For those who are interested in purchasing this, please visit the link in the description below. Let's go ahead and open this up, give you guys a quick 360 look at the box on the outside. Let's go ahead and open this up. It comes like this, nicely secured, nicely packaged. So there you have it. Comes like this. Let's take this out of the packaging here. This as well. We also have this third piece here. Also has the instruction manual on how to use it, how to apply it up to 150 feet, I believe, or more meters, 1500 meters of wireless activity. There's screws to, if you want to put it against the wall. So it's a great quality product, inexpensive for those who are interested in purchasing this. You can visit the link in the description below. Just want to give a quick 360 look at the product. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.